Mr. Chairman, I move to invite SPO3 Artemio Tumakay in the next hearing. Naka-assign siya ngayon saan? Solantes.
Ako sa IDG yata, Mr. Chair.
Kasi may itatanong ko lang sana, sino yung naisama mo, Captain Albotra, nung pumunta ka sa Kalamba? Dalawa yung kasama mo, di ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Ano pangalan?
It was PO3 Eugene Calumba and
With that thing that happened, I scolded Ulsano for
Wait, Pulsano is the chief officer of Kalamba.
He is a lower class of Colonel Pitalio.
Did you recommend the relief
That was
of...
the instruction from higher headquarters, sir. Because the text message states that I'm getting people close to the general I mentioned. So that's why there was a cancellation of order, and he was relieved outside Region 4 and he was transferred to Region 3.
Naambos ba siya?
Hindi ho, Mr. Chair, hindi ko magagawa yun. Wala ho.
Ay, sandali. Hindi ko sinasabi na inambos mo siya. Naambos ba siya?
Hindi ko... Yun ang narinig ko, Mr. Chair.
Ay, nako, narinig that sa public knowledge. Hindi nyo nga pinablatter eh. Di ba? O, sige nga. Kwento mo nga sa akin. Saan siya inambos?
Lapu-lapu yun, Mr. Chair.
Saan siya galing?
Hindi ako pamilyar doon sa circumstansya, Mr. Chair. Balitaan ko lang.
Nabalitaan mo lang.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, I move to invite SPO3 Artemio Tumakay in the next hearing. Naka-assign siya ngayon saan? Solantes.
Ako sa IDG yata, Mr. Chair.
CIDG. CIDG what?
Cebu yata.
O, CIDG 7. Nandito naman si General Torre. Umalis na ba? Mr. Chairman, please.
Comsec, please take note of the invitation.
Mr. Chair?
Are you done, Congressman?
No, I'm done. He's collapsed.
Okay, Congressman Dan.
We have to wake up. Yeah, it's already 1 a.m.
Yeah, I know.
So, anong gagawin natin? Mr. Chairman, I just wanted to ask Captain Albotra. Ha? With the indulgence of Chairman Karaps, isang question lang siguro ako. Kasi may itatanong ko lang sana, sino yung naisama mo, Captain Albotra, nung pumunta ka sa Kalamba? Dalawa yung kasama mo, di ba?
yes po, Mr. Chair.
Ano pangalan?
It was PO3 Eugene Calumba and I think is PO3 Meljen Bulandres po, Mr. Chair.
Yung namatay si Kalumba.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Yung Bulantes, nasaan na?
Nung sometime on 2018 po, Mr. Chair, siya po ay na-issuehan po ng order from the region. Transfer po siya, I think, sa Negros Oriental po, Mr. Chair.
So, nasa ano na yun? Nasa Negros na.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Nung bumalik kayo from Kalamba, kasama mo uli sa Region 7, yung dalawa?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Nullified po yung order namin, Mr. Chair.
At si Kalumba, saan napatay?
Namatay po siya, Mr. Chair, sa Barangay Tejero, Cebu City po.
Okay. Yung bang, RD, Ted, yung bang, kasi ang alam ko dito, di ba may tinatawag na, if I'm not mistaken, shoot order ba yan? Shoot order. Diretso from the Krame. Can you kindly explain yung what transpired doon sa order niya para maibalik agad siya doon sa Region 7?
Sir, this is really what happened. The reason for the relief of the Chief of Police of Calamba, Albotra, and the rest of his guys was because Colonel Olosano and R2 had a heated argument. He was the underclass of R2, si Olosano, para sir, one of them were trying to propagate themselves who is closest to me. nag-i-spear ng power. With that thing that happened, I scolded Ulsano for
Wait, Pulsano is the chief of police of Calamba.
He is a lower class of Colonel Pitalio. I scolded Ulsano for answering back to his upper class because that's a no-no for us, sir. And this thing reached Cam Krame through a text message coming from other PNPA officers na hindi rin nagustuhan ng actuation ni Ulsano. It reached the chief PNP. And in those text messages, it was said that si Ulsano and the rest of his people are bata ni Garbo. So, with that, I was called by the chief PNP for the relief of Ulsano and the rest of the Cebu boys. So, their order were revoked, and Ulsano, instead of being revoked, he requested that he be transferred to Region 3. So, that was the reason for the relief. Medyo, sir, na lumutang na naman, sir, yung issue na with their identification with Sir General Garbo.
So there's another kind of issue that is now floating, no? A while ago, I was just listening, and parang nararamdaman ko that there's something much deeper, contentious, issues that happened, no? During that time that this event happened. So, ito yung sinasabi mo, General Ted, na nangyari because nag-away si Patalio and si Chief of Police ng Calamba.
Yes, sir. They had a heated argument.
Will
And-
you confirm this o ano? Undalan. Anong pangalan mo? Ulano.
Red Ulsan, sir. That's true, sir.
Totoo yun?
Yes, sir.
So, that's the reason kaya ka na-relieve?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. At yung order nang galing na sa Krame during that time because was it recommended by Ted? Did you recommend the relief
That was
of
the instruction from higher headquarters, sir. Because the text message states that I'm getting people close to the general I mentioned. So that's why their orders, there was a cancellation of order and he was relieved outside Region 4 and he was transferred to Region 3.
So there's another angle that we have to look at. So for the meantime, Mr. Are you done, Chairman Caraps? Not yet. Hindi pa. So I yield back to you again. At medyo...
Eh, ano lang to, Mr. Chairman, just kasi 1 o'clock na no? Anyway, Mr. Chairman, just a short manifestation, hindi pa po ako tapusan but of course it is now 1 o'clock. Mr. Chairman, now it is very clear that in the case of Captain Albutra, he was relieved because of the internal squabbling within the Region 4A that time, no, under the watch of now Mayor Carranza. So at least malinaw, Captain Albutra, no, malinaw. Kasi ang pinagmula ng lahat na to is the statement of former Police Colonel Garma at yung assignment mo at saka yung relieve mo, medyo nakakapagduda. Kasi after you relieve, may nangyari. So, tapos isang team pa kayo, no, na pumunta doon. But anyway, Mr. Chairman, it's up to this committee to evaluate, no? Of course, there's still the statement of former Police Colonel Garma. And it's up to the chair and the committee kung ano pong magiging decision natin with regards to the contempt order that was issued by Captain Albutra. Pero, Captain Albutra, may isa pa tayong pag-usapan tungkol dun sa pagkamatay ni Kalumba. Kasi you mentioned, kasi nung una, hindi mo kasi inamin kaagad na after Kalamba assignment, bit-bit mo silang dalawa dun sa station mo. Tsaka may nangyari. Di ba? Namatay yung Kalumba. And ang hindi ko maintindihan, parang umiiwas ka doon sa tanong ko, ba't ka umiiwas that time? para aminin na yung assignment nung dalawa, yung Bulandres at saka yung namatay na Kalumba, is in your station. So under your watch, may operation. Diba? May operation, kaya lang, sumabit, namatay yung Kalumba. Nakapag-return fire yung driver ng supposedly target for assassination. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, with the revelation coming from the PRO Region 4, former RD ng 4A, saka yung former Chief of Police ng Calamba, Colonel Olsano, and it was also confirmed by Colonel Pitalio. Hindi pa po tayo tapos, Colonel Pitalio. Anyway, with that, Mr. Chairman, I move to lift the order of contempt for Police Captain Albutra. So move, Mr. Chairman.
There's a motion to lift the contempt order of Captain Albotra. Duly seconded. Hearing no objection, the motion is carried. Comsec, please coordinate with the LSB and the Office of the Sergeant at Arms.
Mr. Chair?
Yes, Congressman Gutierrez.
Mr. Chair, in the same vein, given the participation of Police Corporal Obales, I'd like to move for the lifting of his contempt order also.
Police Corporal
Police Corporal Obales.
Ubales.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh, the Police Corporal Ubales is presently detained at the Quezon City Jail.
Here in the House.
Oh, here at the House of... Okay, there's a motion to lift the contempt order of Police Corporal Ubales. Duly seconded by Congressman Pimentel. Hearing no objection, the motion is carried.
Mr. Chairman,
Since there are no other matters to be discussed,
are we going to discuss about the...
there are still several matters to be discussed. Please, Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Chairman. Yung mga naiwan lang na admin matters po. First, yung question of the motion that was... yung invitation po for Mr. Charlie Tan. And Comsec informed me that we have not yet... Charlie Tan has not yet received invitation from this committee dahil doon sa address. So instead of Osiokos, I move, Mr. Chairman, to amend my motion to invite Mr. Charlie Tan for the next hearing. So move, Mr. Chairman.